Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Azara Fania Pradiva from Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. Today I will be discussing the topic of corporate governance principle. So without further ado, let's get into the material. Corporate governance principle. Introduction. Corporate governance principles are a set of core values and guidelines that establish the foundation for sound corporate governance practice. These principles aim to ensure that companies are managed in ethical, transparent, accountable, and sustainable manner. They are commonly derived from international standards, such as those issued by the OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, and are adapted according to local regulation and business environment. Next, objective of corporate governance principle. 1. To ensure companies are managed professionally and ethically, to protect the right of shareholders and other stakeholders, to enhance corporate performance and sustainability, to build public and investor trust, to prevent misconduct, conflict of interest, and abuse of power. Next, key principle of corporate governance, OECD version. The OECD Corporate Governance Principle, latest edition, outlines 6 fundamental areas. A. Ensuring the basic for an effective corporate governance framework. Government and regulation should establish a solid legal regulation and institutional framework that support good corporate governance. This framework should promote market transparency, efficiency, and fair competition. B. Direct and equitable treatment of shareholder. Company must respect the rights of shareholder, including the right to information, participation in general meeting, and dividend entitlement. All shareholders, including minority one, must be treated fairly and without discrimination. See the role of stakeholder in corporate governance. Corporate governance should acknowledge the interests and contribution of stakeholders such as employee, creditor, customer, and the community. Companies should cooperate with stakeholders to foster long-term value creation and trust. D. Disclosure and transparency. Companies should provide timely and accurate disclosure of material matter, including financial performance, ownership, corporate structure, and risk factor. Transparency enables stakeholders to make informed decisions and hold management accountable. E. Responsibility of the board. The board of directors is responsibility for strategy oversight, monitoring, management, and protecting the interests of the company and its stakeholders. The board should act objectively, independently, and free from conflict of interest. F. Institutional investors, stock market, and other intermediaries. Institutional investor and market intermediaries should adopt governance practice that align with long-term shareholder and market interests. Stock exchange rating agencies and analytics play a key role in promoting market integrity. Next, practical implementation of governance principle. Company can implement governance principle by developing a corporate code of conduct and ethics, establishing clear organizational structure and board rules, disclosing transparent financial and annual reports, operating a whistleblowing system, conducting regular internal and external audits. Conclusion. Corporate governance principles are not mere administrative tools, they are essential in building a strong sustainability and trustworthy company. Effective adaptation of this principle exchange competitiveness, protect stakeholder interests, and positioning the company for long-term success in global market. That's all the material from me. I hope it's useful. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.